guys, how are you? Before this video, I am going to explain about what is lazy loading. Before that, please share and subscribe my channel. What is lazy loading? Before that, I am going to explain about what are modules and what are components. If you can see the project structure, this is the app module. In the app module, we have components, employee, home, and a student components. First of all, what is difference between the module and the component? A module can have multiple components. As you seen, an app module can contain multiple components: employee, home, and student. And a module can contain multiple modules. This is how we will do it in further video. And a component cannot have modules. I am repeating again, a module can have multiple modules. A module can have multiple components, but a component cannot have multiple modules. As you seen in the diagram, app module. This is the parent module of any Angular application. And within the app module, we can have multiple components or multiple modules, as I have shown you in the picture. This is the app module. In this app module, we are having employee component and the student component outside, and we are having a module named as admin module. In the admin module, we have a country component. So what is meant by lazy loading, and how lazy loading related to modules and components, we will gonna see in this example. What is meant by lazy loading? In the sense, loading a particular component. A component is nothing but segregation of HTML, CSS, and TS page. We can call component is simply like pages. Loading a particular component on demand. On demand in the sense, whenever we need. This is called lazy loading. So how we can achieve it? How we can achieve it? This is all I'm going to tell. Generally, this can be achieved using routing. When you see in a routing module, I have three paths, three objects. This route is an array of objects. We have three array of objects. One is path home. Whenever the URL is clicked on /home, it will redirect to home component. Whenever I clicked on employee, it will redirect to employee component. Whenever I click on student, it will redirect to student component. So let's take it as if we have 1500 to 15,000 to 20,000 of components in our application. What will happen? First of all, as I have said in the previous video, main.js is an entry point of an application. Main.js loads all the all the components all the components in the main.js will render all the components on JS files. You can see this employee component, employee.component.ts, employee component is there. Student component, you can search for student, home component, and student component. So main.js bundles all the JS files within the app folder. Means in this in this in this level, in the app level, but it does not bundle in the admin module level. So how we can explain? If you not get it, I will explain again. Main.js will load all the components within the app level, like employee and student, but it does not load the component inside an admin module. It doesn't, because country component is in the admin module. This is called lazy loading. First of all, I will create an module. I will create a module that is admin module. Ngem admin. Give it as routing. What ng means Angular, G means generate, M means module, admin means your module name, // routing means it will create an app admin routing module.ts. You can see this, there is a folder has been created and this we have a admin routing module.ts. Now click on admin module and click on open in terminal. You can see the path /admin. Now in the admin module you create a country component, country component where ng is angular, g is generate, c is component, country is for my component name. You can see this in the admin module we have country component. Now let's go back to the browser, refresh it. In the main.js file you try to find country component. No, it won't be there. You try to find employee component, it will be. You try to find student, it will be. This is the student class student component. You try to find class student component like this, you will find. Same with the employee component, you can find. Same with the home component, you can find. But if you search for country component like this, country component, you can't able to find it because this module is being lazily loaded. How how we have to redirect to this module? First of all, in order to lazy load, we have to redirect app to admin. Later on that from admin to country. How routing from module to module is done, I will explain this in video. Give it as a path admin and component. Sorry, since it's a since it is a module, it has a different syntax. How this syntax is vary from component, I will explain. Load children. Load children. In this load children, click on import and write a syntax slash admin slash admin dot module dot then m. M is for module, admin module. This is the syntax. Whenever you click on path slash admin, it will redirect to admin module, which means it will comes to here. Now in the admin routing dot module, give it as a path slash country. Click on component country component. So in order to load the country component, we first have to reach to admin module from the app module, from the app module to from the admin module to country component. Again I am repeating, in order to reach the country component, we have to reach the app module to admin module, from admin module to country component. We cannot redirect currently right from app module to country component redirectly because it's not a lazy loading. So how we have written in the app module, we have written load children syntax In the app module, we have written load children syntax, app routing dot module, sorry. In this, we are redirecting to admin module. In the admin module, we have written our country component. Again, compile it, go back to your browser. In the admin, you didn't find anything has been rendering because you can see this. Whenever app is routing to admin, it just loading the admin module. But in order to load the country component, we have given path as country. So you can see this country. When you click on now, as you can see this, now there is an extra module.js file has been rendered. That is admin module.js file. Previously, there is only one JS file, that is main.js file. What I have said in the main.js file, we have a country component, we have employee component, we have an employee, we have an student component. Now in the admin module, you can see the country component, class country. In the admin module.js, we have country component. See, this is the country component we have. So what is the importance of lazy loading? The amount of bundle size will be reduced. What is meant by bundle size? Bundle size is nothing but the JavaScript file size. So if you in the real time applications, you're gonna have 15,000 to 20,000 plus components. In such cases, you have to segregate to different modules, and from the different modules you have to lazy load. This is all about the lazy loading. For for any information, please subscribe. For supporting me, please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. I hope you understand this video. Thank you once again. Bye bye.